Now, learning outcome 7 gives us the definition of current. So, electric current okay, electric current is a flow of charge around a circuit. The electrons in the conductors are attracted to the positive end of the battery and pushed away by the negative. Okay, and then an ammeter okay, which is an A with a circle in it. Is used to measure current. Now the symbol for current, somewhat bizarrely, is not C, it's actually I. It's historical. Originally it was known as the intensity of electricity, and the symbol for an I stuck, even when we changed its name, and we now call it current. And the full units are actually amperes, but that's abbreviated just as a capital A. A voltmeter V is used to measure voltage. Just wait a wee second, please. And the units are volts, also given the abbreviation capital V. And then when we look at that in a circuit, so these are the circuit symbols, the A in the circle and the V in the circle, for an ammeter and a voltmeter. So if we look at a circuit for how you would connect an ammeter and a voltmeter, an ammeter is connected in series and a voltmeter is connected in parallel. So I'm just going to draw a circuit with a couple of light bulbs and show you an ammeter and a voltmeter connected to that circuit. So there's our battery, and then down the bottom I'm going to have two light bulbs, and I'm going to set up my ammeter and my voltmeter to measure the current through and the voltage across the second light bulb here. So the ammeter goes in series with that light bulb, so it's got to go in as part of the main loop that makes up the circuit. Whereas the voltmeter goes in parallel. Now remember, in parallel means in separate branches. So the voltmeter has its own wee branch connected either side of the bulb, and these wee dots represent joins. So there's our symbol for our voltmeter. And there's it drawn in parallel. And just to stress, those wee dots, a symbol for a join. And in words to reinforce, an ammeter is connected in series, and we always talk about the current through something. a voltmeter is connected in parallel when we talk about the voltage across something.